How to change your name on Facebook app. Hey guys, welcome back to AI Plus More. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Facebook mobile app. So if you try to change your name, you may have noticed some of the options have changed. So this tutorial is the most up-to-date method on how to change your name using iPhone or Android. First, we're going to open up the Facebook app. At the top right corner of the screen, we're going to tap on the 3-bar icon here. Next, we'll click into this gear button. And this will take us to the settings and privacy page. To change your name, you will need to click on the See More in Account Center. Once you're in the Account Center page, you'll have the option to change, edit, or modify your previous settings. Now tap on the icon for your profile. Once you're on this page, choose the profile you'd like to change. But since we only have one, we're going to click on this profile. Click on the name option, and now you can change or edit your name. Due to Facebook's policy, you'll need a first and last name, but you have a choice to leave blank the middle section or fill it in. Once you are finished, you can click on Review Change button right here. And if you're happy with the name change, now we can click Save Changes. Now we're all done. But just remember, once you have changed your name on Facebook, you'll need to wait 60 days until you can change or edit it again. Okay guys, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorial videos, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.